Hey, what's up everyone? So for tonight I wanna share or upload how to remove the freehub body on an LDCNC bicycle hubs or MTB hubs. This one has been like long overdue, and on Facebook I received a lot of comments or questions on how to remove the freehub body of an LDCNC. So I had this for like I think 4 years now, and I used this one for like more than 3,000 or 4,000 kilometers. So every time we cross rivers or we go on a ride and it's raining hard, I always re-grease the freehub. Okay, by the way, you need two tools, both of them 5mm or 5mm Allen key or Allen wrench. So assuming that you know how to remove the cogs and the screw, then you can proceed removing the freehub body. Okay, but if you don't know how to remove the cogs or the cassette and screwer, then forget about doing this. Okay, so how am I gonna give me a sec, guys. I'm gonna try to find an angle, because this is just the best part of the house, this room. And okay, so first you need to use the 5mm key on the drive side. Just insert it, and then the other one, of course, on the other side. Then once you have that in place, just twist this one, I think, yep, counterclockwise. There you go. Once it's loose, you just go ahead and remove it by hand. Okie doke. So as you can see, this one is thread type. So once you have this out, you can let go of the other end. By the way, don't be afraid if this one will fall off. That's okay. That's alright. By the way, this hub is TA ready or traxel ready, but I am only using a QR or quick release. I don't have a frame or fork that can support TA or traxel. Maybe next time I'll go ahead and buy one. Alright, where was I? Okay, on the drive side or the lock or the cap, this one is definitely thread type. So some other hubs, they don't have thread, you just have to pull them out, but I like this one much better for extra security. Okay, so finally, how to remove the freehub body. Well, all you need to do right now is to pull this out, but you have to pull this out and turn it counterclockwise. Yeah, there you go, slowly, and it's out. It's already out. As you can see, it is still kind of clean, and I don't really use a lot of grease. If you use too much grease, you will encounter a problem doing a back pedal, and it won't spin properly. Believe me. What the hell was that? Believe me, I've tried putting a lot of grease on this one, and it doesn't spin well, or you cannot even do a back pedal. Okay, so the freehub body of the LDCNC is 6 pawls. Right? I think this one is using 15267 for the bearing. much better don't rely on the code or number. What you need to do is grab a digital caliper, which I need to do right now. So since we are doing this, I'm gonna get my caliper so we can actually measure it. Okay, so we can measure the inner diameter and the outer diameter, but the thickness, most of the time it's 7 mil or 7 millimeters. So okay, 0. All right, so I believe this one is 15 millimeter for the inner diameter. 14.8, 14.7, that is quite fine. 14.93, 94, 95. So it's just that this one is acting up, but in reality this is indeed 15 mil, or there you go, 14.91 or 14.94, 95, 96. So the inner diameter is 15 mil. Let's check the axle itself. I'm gonna remove it. It should be the same, otherwise it won't work. So this one should be 15 or 14.96 as well. There you go. 1 second. What the hell? Low battery. Come on. I'm shooting a video. So there you go, guys. Yeah, 15 mil or 15 mm. Now for the outer diameter. This one, for the bearing outer diameter, it should be 26, I hope. 25.92. It's kind of hard to focus. Give me a second. So I don't want to remove the bearing, of course. 26 something. There you go, 25.9. Can you see it? So in short, you need 15267 for the bearings on the freehub. They have two bearings on the freehub body. 1 second, maybe we can focus the code over here. So I think the code is right. I think we cannot. I'm not sure if you can see it, guys. I cannot see it over here. Anyway, if you're using LDCNC, the older model, I think this is the first model, you need 15267 on the freehub body. Now, on the hub itself, I think it's also 15267. Give me a second. Yep, same thing. 25. Hey, come on, guys. It's just so hard to get an angle or focus, but it's the same 26 for the outer diameter, same with the inner diameter. Yeah, so it's kind of hard to find that kind of bearing, but we also have that one in our shop. So okay, so to put this back, you just go ahead and plug in the axle, non-drive side or rotor side, of course, and then the freehub body itself. By the way, this is not steel, this is alloy or aluminum. As you can see, it has some bite marks or cog bites. steel is indeed much better, but it's heavy. So that's why Shimano is not using steel bearing type hubs. They're not using aluminum. They're always using a steel. Okay, to install back the freehub body, you just make sure that everything is aligned inside the freehub body. Then plug that in. Once you install back, just turn it counterclockwise again and then push. So there you go. And then last part, install back the drive side block or cup. I don't know how to pronounce that crap. And then make sure to just do hand tight. You don't want, where's my Allen key? You don't want to tighten them all up, as that will degrade or destroy your bearings. So just make sure that this one is hand tight. You don't need a lot of pressure in this one. And then there you go, you are good to go. That's how I normally re-grease the freehub body. Sometimes I remove the pawls and springs. Okay. Oh. It's not really loud. Well, there you go, budget hubs, LDCNC. It lasted more than 4 years now. So, see you next time, guys.